We are so back, and today we're looking at Diesel's dirty laundry.
Actually, we're taking a closer look at your dirty laundry, Lea.
Not in my contract, but okay.
A significant part of the impact of your jeans comes from washing, drying, ironing, repairing, or not repairing. We make the clothes, you wear the clothes, so we can all do better.
Okay, a virtuous circle, I'm into that.
This is Alejandro, and he's gonna test your laundry knowledge.
So, Lea, which basket is ready for the wash?
Ooh, 2, 6, 10. I'm ashamed to say it's probably going to be 10 wears.
Don't be ashamed, that's an 80% saving in carbon and water compared to washing every 2 wears. Well done.
Oh, amazing. I will be honest, if I'm really sweaty, it'll go to 6 wears, but usually I'm at 10.
You can hang them in the bathroom when you're showering, and the steam will freshen them up.
Ooh.
Washing too much degrades the fabric. We recommend spot cleaning.
Which machine are you going to choose for your wash?
Oh, good question. 30 doesn't seem to really clean, so I think it's going to be 40.
We always recommend washing denim at 30. It's better for the color retention and the fabric durability.
Okay, okay.
And you must always turn your denim inside out before you wash.
Okay, but some stains just don't come out. What about coffee, lipstick?
Vinegar, dish soap, cold soak should get out with coffee. Surgical spirit for the lipstick, and then wash as usual.
Okay, I'll make sure to keep my surgical spirit on hand.
And always use a mild detergent to minimize fading.
Got you. Every day's a school day at Diesel HQ.
How do you dry your jeans?
Tumble dryer. Is that a bad thing?
If you don't mind shrinking and fading. Dry them flat to keep their shape and color.
Saves energy and reduces carbon. Win-win.
Okay, I get it. Better for the planet, better for my jeans.
Exactly. Last stop, the repair shop. The ultimate circularity goal should be making the clothes we already have last longer.
Okay, well, sometimes I take my clothes to the tailor.
That's something we can all do.
Right, but honestly, I can't even thread a needle.
No problem, we can teach you.
Go ahead. Let's patch the jeans.
Me?
Of course, just take it one stitch at a time.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
How was your day?
It was fabulous. I saw a bit of science, saw a bit of history, saw a bit of fashion.
So you saw a lot of Diesel, basically.
Yeah, massively, and now you're going to see something in my jeans.
Oh, you
Yeah.
patched it. Amazing.
Did it myself, would you believe that?
Such a creative butterfly.
Yes.
But just in case you want to change one day, we also patched some things. So it's a new
Oh.
project. It's Diesel Loves. This time it's Diesel Loves Lee.
Okay.
It's about 2 competitors, but instead of fighting this time, we are working together. We're merging unsold stock of Diesel, unsold stock of Lee, putting them together instead of
amazing.
fighting, doing something good. And that's
For
for
me.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. This is gorgeous.
Small steps, but we're getting there. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.